Coming to the ninth question, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A -2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Moving on to the solution, let the given points be A -2, 2 and B 2, 8. We need to find the coordinates of the points which divides line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Let C, D and E be the points such that AC equals to CD equals to DE equals to EB. We know that the coordinates of the point R which divides the line segment joining P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is given by R x, y equals to mx2 plus nx1 whole divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 whole divided by m plus n. Here the point C divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally. So m value here is 1 and n value is 3. We represent the point A as x1, y1 and the point B as x2, y2. And by section formula, the coordinates of point C are mx2 plus nx1, that is 1 times of 2 plus 3 times of -2 whole divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 3, my2 plus ny1, which is 1 times of 8 plus 3 times of 2 whole divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 3, which employs that equals to 1 times of 2 is 2 plus 3 times -2 is -6 whole divided by 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 times 8 is 8 plus 3 times 2 is 6 whole divided by 1 plus 3 is 4, which is equal to 2 plus -6 is -4 whole divided by 4, 8 plus 6 is 14 whole divided by 4, which is nothing but 4 goes in -4 -1 times, here 2 is common factor for both numerator and denominator, so 2 goes in 4 2 times, 2 goes in 14 7 times. Hence, the coordinates of the point C will be -1, 7 by 2. The point D divides AB in the ratio 2:2, that is 1:1 internally. That means it will be the midpoint of AB. We know that the midpoint of the line segment joining the 2 points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 is given by x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. So the coordinates of the point D will be D x, y equals to -2 plus 2 whole divided by 2, 2 plus 8 whole divided by 2. That equals to -2 plus 2 is 0, 0 divided by 2 is 0, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 divided by 2. That equals to 0, 2 goes in 10 5 times. Hence, the coordinates of the point D are 0, 5. The point E divides AB in the ratio 3:1 internally. So here m value equals to 3 and n value is 1. The coordinates of point E will be mx2 plus nx1, that is 3 3 times 2 plus 1 times minus 1 times minus 2 whole divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 1, comma my2 plus ny1, that is 3 times 8 plus 1 times 2 whole divided by m plus n, which is 3 plus 1. This employs the coordinates of E will be 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 times minus 2 is minus 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, comma 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 times 2 is 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. That equals to 6 plus minus 2 is 4 whole divided by 4, comma 24 plus 2 is 26 whole divided by 4. That equals to 4 goes in 4 1 times, comma here we see that the 2 is common factor for both numerator and denominator. So 2 goes in 4 2 times, 2 goes in 26 13 times. Hence the coordinates of the point E will be 1, 13 whole divided by 2. Therefore, the points which divide the line AB into 4 equal parts are C -1, 7 by 2, D 0, 5 and E 1, 13 divided by 2.